Hi, my name is Jarek and welcome to the Zillion tutorial. In this series, I'm going to introduce you to the Zillion online service, explain how it works, and how it can fit your organization. Then, we'll actually enter the application itself and give you a little bit of a look around just to make sure that you can start your own work and be ready for the challenges ahead. So, without further ado, let's begin. We do recommend that you use the Firefox or the Chrome browser to access the Zillion application. However, in this video, we're only going to concern ourselves with the main website, which is available under the zillion.io address. So, the first question we need to answer is, who exactly is Zillion made for? And as you can see in the tagline right here, image annotation for deep learning made simple. Zillion is a service that of course allows you to host and share your files, just like a regular online platform. However, as you can see in the tagline, the primary target group for Zillion is organization developing their own deep learning solutions. And let's have a look at the animation looped in the background of the website. We can see annotations made on cars and people. And you can imagine a project that would involve having to annotate hundreds if not thousands of images by people all around the globe, which would then serve in a project for deep learning, a project that would identify cars or people. Now, Zillion is the type of service that not only will allow you to conveniently coordinate the work of all those people within one or more workspaces, but also you will then be able to export thus made annotations in the form of a convenient JSON file in a universal format that you'll be able to tweak so that it corresponds to your own algorithm, and thus all those annotations will be used by your deep learning application. So that's the primary functionality of Zillion, and you will be able to explore the annotation process in its basic way and shape under the Annotate and Go plan, which we'll be discussing in this playlist. So, on the main website under the Product tab, we can get introduced to some of the features of Zillion and some of the possible applications, and your organization might actually fit into one of them quite neatly. Then we have the question of pricing. Now, Zillion, upon registration, Zillion is a service that's free of charge, and it will allow you to perform some annotation projects. However, when compared to the paid professional and enterprise plan, its functionalities are rather limited. Also, under the professional and enterprise plan, you will be given much more storage and more workforce available to you. As well as, especially under the enterprise plan, there will be a number of features that are available only under this plan. But we'll get to this later in another playlist. So, in your work, you'll be advised to have a look at the frequently asked questions sections, in which you'll learn how to get started, how we manage the safety of your data. You will find some general usage guidelines, and those points will be expanded upon in this tutorial. And there are of course other questions that did not fit any of the aforementioned categories. There are the tutorials, which you can also access directly from the application window, as we'll see in the future. Our blog, which is hosted on the Medium platform, on which we publish the newest features introduced into Zillion, as well as some tips and tricks for some of our more advanced users. For example, those concerning conversion between one file format and another. And finally, we have the contact form that you can use to get in touch with us. You can, of course, drop us an email at hello@zillion.io or support@zillion.io. You can also simply call us at our office. And that's it for today. I hope that now you have a little bit of a better understanding when it comes to how Zillion may help your organization and your projects. And in the next video, we're going to set up our own account and log into our first ever Zillion workspace to explore the top side panel of it. Thank you very much for your attention, and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so as to be notified about the next entry in this tutorial. Follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook. Hope to see you again next time, and have a nice day.